Let's do an activity to draw the magnetic field lines around a bar magnet. We have taken a bar magnet and a magnetic compass is placed near the north pole of the magnet. The south pole of the compass needle points towards the north pole of the magnet, and the north pole of the compass is directed away from the north pole of the magnet. Mark the position of the north pole of the compass needle. Move the compass such that the south pole of needle occupies the previously marked position. Now, mark this position of the north pole of the compass needle. In this way, proceed step by step until you reach the south pole of the magnet. Join the points marked. This curve represents a field line. By repeating this method, draw other lines. These lines represent the magnetic field lines around the bar magnet. Thus, by using a compass, we can draw the magnetic field lines around a bar magnet.